Welcome to our channel, where we bring you expert tips to help you achieve financial freedom as an owner-operator. Today, we present Mastering Your Owner-Operator Finances, 5 Tips to Control Expenses. Tip 1. Track your expenses diligently. Knowing where your money is going is a crucial step in gaining control over your finances. Keep a detailed record of all your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and save. Tip 2. Budget like a pro. Creating a budget allows you to plan and prioritize your expenditures. Be sure to include your fixed costs, such as insurance and truck payments, as well as variable costs like fuel and maintenance. Sticking to a budget will help you stay on track towards achieving your financial goals. Tip 3. Shop smart for fuel. Fuel costs can eat away at your profits. Research and compare fuel prices at different stations along your route to find the best deals. Additionally, consider joining fuel loyalty programs or using apps that offer discounts to further minimize your expenses. Tip 4. Maintain a rainy day fund. Prepare for unexpected expenses by setting aside a portion of each paycheck into an emergency fund. This financial safety net will protect you during tough times and help you avoid getting into debt. Tip 5. Stay ahead of maintenance. Regular vehicle maintenance can prevent costly breakdowns and repairs down the road. Keep a strict maintenance schedule to avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your truck running smoothly. By implementing these 5 expert tips, you can take control of your owner-operator finances and pave your way to financial freedom on the road. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable advice and insights.